Happy New Year. Say
Happy New Year. No, that was bad.
Why?
Start again.
Okay. Happy New Year. It is another year. We are into the year 2025. At Vince's at Home, we'd like to thank all of you for watching and joining us as we have explored the kitchen and products from Vince's Market.
Mine is always the same, and I always do this in January, but just focus on being more healthy, moving more, trying to add more protein into my life and less junk.
Boring. I decided to ask ChatGPT because we've been forming a online relationship. It seems to know me quite well. It says I have a dynamic professional life. But in personal growth, it said that I should balance work and play, set aside time to enjoy new hobbies, like a weekly family hike or cooking a healthy meal together. We could do that.
Okay, let's do it.
Do you think our kids would go hiking with us? While we debate our resolutions, let's show you some of the best moments from the past year at Vince's at Home. Hi, Mal.
Hi, Giancarlo.
Do you know how long we've been doing this?
A full year.
1 year.
Wow.
Oh, are you sick of me yet?
See what's happening?
It's very slowly melting.
We're literally Bill Nye. Bill Nye, you can retire now.
We have the, bruschetta?
Bruschetta.
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 Yeah, see, like the R was like tripled. It was like bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
See? See? Okay, bruschetta. I'll say it. Bruschetta.
Bruschetta.
No!
This stuff is magic.
We're making beef bourguignon.
If you won't drink it, don't cook with it.
Yeah.
When Kristen's cooking with the wine, and she'll be like, I need wine for cooking. Mallory gave me this for Christmas. You can cook with it. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. How are you supposed to smell candles? Is there a way? There's no technique? You got right in there, though.
Yeah.
I thought you could also smell this. You can, but it's not going to be as good depending on how long.
It's good.
So oftentimes I have people say to me, hey, you know what, they're quite salty.
Yes.
And I say, yes, they are. Because they're meant to be.
Did we say a lot?
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. How many coffees is too many coffees in a day?
It really depends
On your metabolism?
on your metabolism, on your body chemistry, on the diet, the foods you're having.
So if I told you I have 4 espressos a day,
Just a regular glass of water, and you can put in a few drops of lemon. You drink that before you do anything.
Before my coffee?
Even before your coffee.
Mallory, you're gonna help me do this?
Am I cheating by doing this?
No. You do you.
That apron,
it's not looking good on me.
it looks like
You're telling me now we've been doing this for like 3 episodes?
looks too tight. Did you have that on the whole day?
The whole freaking day!
You're not done.
Done.
You're not done.
I'm definitely taking off the apron. How many ounces in a pound?
10.
You have a degree! That's general measurements. How many grams in a kilogram? How many ounces in a pound? When does Windows 95 come out?
Sorry, for the gentleman who made fun of me not knowing ounces to pounds, you can't do the simple math of 83 to 95.
Touche, Mallory, touche.
I'm very sad to leave my Vince's family.
Why so glum?
I lost my co-host. You want to be my co-host?
Okay, let's do this.
Okay. I'm here with wifey. I shouldn't call you wifey, right? My beautiful wife, Kristen. Are you becoming a sourdough expert, honey?
The bottom is nice and crispy. The middle
Fluffy?
is nice and light, fluffy, bubbly on the inside.
You're cooking Greek food, so you have to use Greek olive oil.
Yes, and we invented everything, right? Like we
And then the
just,
Italians
just
perfected
saying.
it.
Okay.
Oh!
Okay, should we cut into this?
Yes, that's what else we're gonna do. Why are you going so gentle for? You want to be perfect? Why is this taking an enormous amount of time?
Sorry, are you in a rush?
Kind of. I think Ultra Pure, Pure Filter, Joya, A2, Beatrice.
I said Ultra Pure, Joya, Beatrice, A2, Pure Filter.
What is this?
That is a mandolin. Oh, and that is very sharp, so be careful.
So.
Oh! How was that? Is it good?
You're the best.
Aw, thank you, Giancarlo.
Oh, thank you.
It was fun cooking with you guys.
You're the best.